Do you want to create a sustainable exercise routine? Let's break down what this really means. A sustainable exercise routine isn't just about hitting the gym every single day. Rather, it's about creating a fitness regimen that you can maintain consistently over time. It's about finding that sweet spot where health meets longevity. The benefits: improved physical and mental health, increased energy levels, and a healthier lifestyle. So, are you ready to embark on this fitness journey? Stay tuned as we delve into the steps to creating your own sustainable exercise routine. First off, set realistic goals. It's crucial to not bite off more than you can chew. You might want to run a marathon tomorrow, but let's be honest, that's not happening overnight. Instead, focus on what's achievable given your physical abilities and time constraints. Maybe start with a daily walk or a few push-ups. The idea is to aim for gradual improvement, not drastic transformation. This way, you'll be more likely to stick with your routine and see real progress. Remember, consistency over intensity is the key. Next, choose the right exercises. This is a crucial step. Picking exercises you enjoy will motivate you to stay consistent. Imagine going for a jog every morning if you love the fresh air, or perhaps you're more into yoga or weightlifting. The key is to see yourself committing in the long run. Variety is also vital to keep things interesting and to ensure a full body workout. Don't be afraid to mix it up. Rotate between different exercises to challenge different muscle groups. Exercises should be challenging, enjoyable, and varied. Now let's talk about regularity and flexibility. It's essential to establish a consistent workout schedule, but remember, life happens. Be flexible enough to adjust your routine as needed. You don't want to turn exercise into a chore, do you? And hey, don't forget to rest. Rest days are crucial for your body to recover and rejuvenate. They help prevent burnout and keep you motivated. So remember, when building a sustainable exercise routine, balance is key. A sustainable routine is flexible and includes rest days. Creating a sustainable exercise routine is a journey, not a destination. We've walked through setting goals, picking the right exercises, and the importance of regularity with flexibility. Now it's your turn to embark on this path. Subscribe to the Medvista channel for more health information. Until next time, remember, your health is an investment, not an expense.